Hello guys, welcome to Airdrop Ninja YouTube channel. Hope you all doing great. Today in this video we are doing a quick review of Bitget exchange. So let's get started. Bitget was established in 2018 and its headquarters is located in Singapore. It is a global leading cryptocurrency derivative. On CoinMarketCap, in derivatives exchange Bitget is at 9th position. In CoinGecko, it stands at 5th rank for derivatives exchange ranking. Bitget is a global leading cryptocurrency derivatives spot. With over 1.5 million registered users worldwide,
Bitget successfully completed its first King's Cup Global Invitational (KCGI)
with a round competition of 7,467 traders. Bitget is a safe and secure platform for trading and asset management of hot and cold wallet. Bitget is the only exchange with 12 A+ ratings from SSL Labs. Bitget have good spot trading interface with almost all basic to intermediate tools option at chart. There are multiple trade options available. At right side you can see order book and market trades ongoing. We can see almost all pairs with BTC and USDT available for trade at the left side of the chart. Bitget makes it easy to spot trade with trades option given for buy and sell at the bottom of the chart. We can see open order, order history, and order details below the buy and sell options. Moving to futures, Bitget provides both USDT futures and coin futures. For all beginners, there is a basic guide to get started with futures at Bitget. We can see all futures USDT pairs. Here all trade records are available to check. We can easily enable stop loss or take profit with simple click. We can make, limit order, flash order and trigger order. You can place your arrow on the order name to see the information about it. Also for coin futures we almost get same interface. Copy trade. Copy trading is a great feature for inexperienced and new traders. If you are a professional trader then you can also apply to become a trader and let other copy your trade. Bitget is the biggest copy trading platform, with up to 20,000 professional traders on board from all over the world. With few easy steps you can start following and trader and copy his trades with multiple adjusting feature. Copy trade automates your trading by copying the trades of other traders. Copy trade feature lets you learn and earn at the same time. You can buy crypto at Bitget. Bitget currently supports Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay and other payment methods to buy crypto with few easy steps. Bitget is a safe and secure platform for trading and asset management of hot and cold wallet. Bitget is the only exchange with 12 A+ ratings from SSL Labs. Bitget offers multiple reward for their user. You can go to Reward Center and check rewards offers ongoing. Here are simple tasks to do and get reward. User can earn $630 reward for completing tasks. From sign up, deposit to trade you get rewarded. You can also follow Bitget social media pages and get rewarded. Bitget will soon introduce its own launchpad for launching projects and airdrops. Bitget have its own token BGB. There are multiple benefits of trading and holding BGB for getting reward, airdrops and ranking rewards. You can click on profile option and click on assets to check your coin and tokens amount available and for deposit, withdraw, transfer features and also for checking financial records and order records. Bitget also have their mobile app. Users can scan the QR given to download. Or it is also available on Google Play, iOS App Store, Mac OS, and Windows. You can directly download the app and trade anywhere.